we got the nice solid box colors. And just to quickly look again, yeah, so we got the about section. Okay, yeah, so I think the about section we're going to do the same. So if we go to project, we'll collapse that, we go to the about, we'll go class, then we say bg-50. Let's see that. Yeah, so we're going to need to bring that to the right as well. So we'll then say right -50. No, right 0, sorry. That now brings it to the right. We are now going to make the text align from the top, so we get rid of all the flex. And we're going to give it a color of white. There we go. And we get rid of the margin top on the heading. There we are. So that is pretty cool now. Okay, so now we're going off grid and not always having it like spaced evenly everywhere. So that's pretty nice. So I think what we'll do, we'll actually commit this change. So git status, these are the changes we made. So we just say git add dot git commit -m, and then we just say background, we say box off grid solid colors, BG solid BG colors. So that completes concept C. So if we go to git checkout, create a new one, so, and this will be concept D. So what we're going to do now is introduce some gradients. Okay, so one good place to go is, I think it's called web gradients. And the nice thing about them is they got some pretty interesting ones where you can get the really nice light gradients. So let's try this one. So copy, that's called spring warmth. So we're going to create some utilities again. So go to utility, or we go to colors actually, and in here we'll say BG and what was that called again? It was called spring warm. And then we paste that in, but we want to only apply it to the before. Command save. Let's get, how many do we need? We need 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so let's have a look. So let's check frozen dreams. Okay, so bg dash frozen dreams. Paste that there. Let's pick 2 more. 2 more. We're trying to go for that light gradient background. And New York. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Copy. And the same. Just do .bg New York. New York before, and we pick 1 more. Copy, and then we'll go to bg-kind steel, and before, paste that in. So now we go to, if we go to project 1, and we'll say bg kind steel. Command save, and that probably doesn't do anything because we have to take, oh there, oh actually it does. So what we'll do is we'll go back to our utilities. We're going to take out that default background color, and we are going to take out the white because we want it to be black, and there you go. So we're going to add a CTA as well at the end. So now you've got that nice card look, and let's go to the next project. Oh, not sure why it does that when you collapse. Okay, so get rid of white, and the other names were Spring Warmth. So if we just do paste that in, there we go. Very nice. Okay, we just add the CTA there as well. Command save. We'll just add the CTAs to all the other ones as well at the end of the paragraph. Okay, so just have a quick look again. Okay, so that looks a bit funny there. That's probably because it's got flex. And that was project 3. Okay, so project 3, we just take out all of that in a moment. Okay, so we go to the next section. Actually, project 3 was going to leave, and then project 4, we will then put a new class, and this was in colors, New York, actually Frozen Dreams. Frozen Dreams. And there we are. We just get rid of the white. So it's got that nice gradient there. And then the last one is going to be the last one is going to be New York. Copy that, and on the section we just put PG New York. We get rid of the white. Let's have a look. Nice. This actually looks quite, feels it's got that nice sky background. So I think that completes the, actually no, doesn't complete, because if we do this, the responsive is not really that great. You can see that. So what we're going to do, we're not actually going to make them 50-50 anymore. We're going to actually make them 100%. So if we go back to utilities, so what we're going to do is use some media queries. Okay, so when it gets below 768, we are going to have these be 100. So if we go to if we go here, we are going to have those as 50-50. So now if we go down, they are no longer there. We want those to be 100% now from mobile. There we are. So now they are taking the whole height and just to check here, Yeah. So now it's actually taking the whole height. And do we want it to be from the top? Let's just see. If I took that out for now. Okay. Yeah. So let's have a think how we do this. So if we minimize, so that's not too bad because it's got that 3D look. And then we go to this. Okay. So what we probably want to do, we want to keep the margin top on the headings, just to keep it simple. So if we go back to, let's see, project 2, project 1, let's keep those default margins for now. There we are. And if we keep, yeah, so let's have a quick look here. We want to have a margin bottom on the buttons. So project 2, we'll then say margin bottom extra large. Ooh, no, that was on project 1, sorry. So if we go to project 2, there we are, we got that space. And we go to project 4. Okay, so we go to project 4, close that. Project 4. Whoops, that goes a bit funny when I expand. So project 4, we are going to put space at the bottom. There we go. But also what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this padding here. So if we go back to the first one, we'll only want that to be on the larger screen. So let's just have a quick look at our paddings. So we haven't done any responsive for that. So we will say, we'll create one here. And we'll do media, and it's a min width of 768 pixels. And we'll just say on a medium screen. Okay. So what that means is anything with a minimum width of 768, which is like an iPad portrait, you will then get the these then will apply. So what we'll do is we'll go to the very first one, and we will get rid, actually we just change that to dash medium. So there we are. Let's remove that. If we then go up to 768, it now appears. There we go. So you can see that when we then go to mobile, it will go. We need to fix that as well. So if we go down, we don't want it to appear there. So that one is project 2. So if we go to project 2, and the padding bottom is only on a medium screen. Okay, nice. There's still a bit of border down there. I have a feeling. Is it because images have a border in them? Let me just see. So border 0. No, it's probably another browser. Okay, but that's okay for now. And then project 4, we need to get rid of the that padding bottom. There we go. And we need to get rid of it on the about from the top. So padding top on a medium screen. There we go. Okay. Alright, so we just need to add spacing on here. Might be nice if we center align those. Actually no, if we give it more spacing in the nav. So here, say margin top large. That might be too much, so just margin top. Oh, that's okay. And then margin bottom. So that's now spaced that out pretty well. Now the only thing is, it might be nice. Let's just see. Now if I was to put text center on there, yeah, okay, that's pretty okay like that. When it's on a mobile, we're going to center align it. So if we go to header and we put TC, now, okay, yeah. So what we're going to do there is we only want it to be TC from a medium screen. So if we go to utility typography, again here we do at medium, media, min width 768 pixels, .tc medium text align center. Actually no, we don't want it to align in the center. We want it to be on the left. So let's just get this onto one line. So Control J, and then Alt Shift down arrow. We'll say text left on the medium screen. Text align left, sorry. Text align and left. So now if we go to index, we'll say text left align and then TC from mobile. There we go. So if you go down to mobile, it will be in the center. Okay, and however there's a bit of extra margin there, so here we can say it only goes on a medium screen. Oop, that was on the wrong one. So margin left large medium. There we go. Well, actually we don't even need that because we just changed the layout. Cool. So we just get rid of that altogether. Perfect. There we are. And we also need to change these too. So we'll say margin right and margin left. Margin right, margin left. There, so they're more even now. Okay. So we have created the we changed the header. We got these gradient off-grid boxes just to change the layout a bit, and it's not too powerful, not too distracting from the text. So that now completes concept D. So git status, just to see where we are, git add, git commit, and then concept, we just say gradient backgrounds. Okay, so git branch -- list. So now we've created we've got 4 concepts. So let's just whiz through them. So git checkout master. Okay, but we have to refresh the actual browser, so Command R. So that's the first concept we did. And now if we then go to git checkout concept B -B, Command refresh. Now we got rid of that black bar and we got the full bleed images, which are pretty nice concept. And then if we go to git checkout concept C, no, concept -C, we refresh. We now made the navigation a bit different. They're centered. We have a CTA top right, and we now got solid backgrounds now, solid dark backgrounds, which I think is pretty nice as well. And then we go to our last one, concept -D, and then command refresh, and we've introduced some nice light gradients. So let me know in the comments, which concept do you prefer? Which one do you think is the one that you would go for? So thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a like, leave a comment. My name is Roy at Awesome, 2 W's. Thanks for watching.